Hello guys, and welcome to a quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to do the AC reset after the battery replacement on your Casio F91W. So we have just placed a new watch battery inside the watch, so we have replaced the old one, and you'll be able to see that the display doesn't turn on. Now what you want to do is to have a look right here. You will be able to see a small AC here, and that means that we need to use a metallic pair of tweezers, and we are going to place one tip right here and the other one right here. And when I'm going to touch this upper left button, it is going to reset the watch, and it is going to start from 12 o'clock. So let's do that. Just like that. So you'll be able to see that on Casio watches, they always reset at midnight, so at 12 o'clock. If I were to do the AC reset once again, you'll be able to see that the watch has reset once again at 12 o'clock. In case you want to watch the full guide on how to replace the watch battery on your Casio F91W, make sure to check out the link in the description box below in order to know how to replace the battery type, how to disassemble and reassemble your Casio F91W. Once again, link in the description box below, guys. In case you are new to watches, if you want to learn more about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, watch reviews, I definitely recommend you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one.